Take a moment to check out the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a family-minded Tiguan that delivers safety and practicality wrapped in understated style. From its driver assist safety features to its impressive fuel efficiency and available third-row seating, this convenient crossover has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Set yourself up for no-stress success in this capable Tiguan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.